You a foreign national who's been a victim of violent crime in the United States? Or is stress taking a toll on you with the possibility of leaving the country because your visa has already expired? Well, good news. These unfortunate circumstances can be changed. Hi, my name is Andre Major, immigration attorney and an immigrant myself. In today's tip of the week, I'll go over the qualifications for a U visa. Before I begin, please click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you get updates on all our immigration content. Also, leave a comment below on your thoughts or ideas about today's topic or check out our other videos. So, what is a U visa? The U visa is a non-immigrant visa that is provided for victims of certain violent crimes who have suffered physical or mental harm. This allows a victim to stay in the United States legally for up to 4 years. Even though it is a non-immigrant visa, you can apply for a green card after 3 years of holding visa. Hold on a second, I can't count. 1, 2, 3. There you go. 3 years as a U visa holder, you can apply for your green card. But who's eligible for a U visa? So glad you asked. To be eligible for a U visa, you have to meet the following conditions. First, you have to be a victim of a qualifying criminal activity, which occurred in the United States or which violated US law. Here's an additional fact. Did you know that in certain circumstances, even if you were a bystander to the event, but believed you might be eligible for a U visa? However, approval for these kind of cases are difficult, and it all comes down to the details. You've heard the expression, devil's in the details. Well, when it comes to a U visa, they are absolutely correct. Tip, eligibility number 2, you must have suffered substantial physical or mental abuse as a result of the criminal activity. Number 3, you must provide useful information about the criminal activity. Take note, if you are unable to provide it yourself or are under the age of 16, someone else can do it on your behalf. Your parent, guardian, or friend are examples of this. For example, a social worker or a counselor. Eligibility number 4, you must cooperate with U.S. law enforcement authorities. So if you never reported the crime, you don't qualify for a U visa. And 5, you have to be admissible to the United States. Not to worry, if there's something that makes you ineligible, you can fill out Form 192, application for a permission to enter as a non-immigrant. In other words, the U visa includes a waiver. And number 6, you must have a law enforcement certification. This is also known as Form I-19 Supplement B. Know that this is usually the hardest part, is getting this law enforcement certification signed. It has to be signed by prosecutors or police or any agency with investigatory authority, and there's no way to force them to sign it. If you have questions or concerns about this, comment below, give us a call, or visit a website to book an appointment. Moving on. Earlier we mentioned qualified criminal activity. But what criminal activities are qualified? Well, criminal activities that qualify for the U visa must have taken place in the United States. However, crimes committed abroad that violate any US law may also qualify. I have simplified the qualifying criminal activities into categories so that we can better understand which crimes you can qualify under this visa. Category number 1, violent crimes. Well, they're all violent crimes, but these are specific criminal acts that have violently inflicted person. Example are murder, manslaughter, felonious assault, and domestic violence. Just keep in mind, domestic violence can cover a lot of bad actions. Make sure it's violent conduct in order to qualify. Crime number 2, enslavement crimes. Compared to the previous one, this refers to acts or activities that illegally enslave or imprison an individual. Some examples are criminal restraint, kidnapping, abduction, being held hostage, forced labor, slavery, human trafficking, indentured or debt servitude, or false imprisonment. Crimes number 3 are sex-related crimes. Crimes such as this refer to illegal sexual acts, such as violence that occur during the sexual act, lack of consent, rape, or when one party is legally incapable of giving consent, like a child. Among such acts are rape, incest, sexual trafficking, sexual assault, abusive sexual contact, prostitution, sexual exploitation, or female genital mutilation. Crime number 4, obstruction of justice crimes. Now, this is a criminal act that obstructs the administration of justice and the functioning of the justice system. Examples are perjury, witness tampering, extortion, blackmail, or withholding evidence. And lastly, foreign labor contracting fraud. This is the newest category. This crime includes any fraudulent acts related to recruiting, soliciting, or hiring someone outside the United States. What are examples of these fraudulent acts? Well, these include fraudulent or false promises made by an employer to a prospective employee regarding wages, housing, or other employment conditions, or luring someone to the US for a job under false pretenses. And that's 5 categories of qualifying criminal acts. However, take note, uncompleted criminal activities may still qualify for a U visa. That means that even attempting, soliciting, or conspiring to commit one of these crimes is sufficient. If you find yourself in a situation where you're the victim of a criminal act, please do not hesitate to contact us to provide you with quality legal services and obtain the help and justice you deserve. If you find this video informative, then please like and share it with your friends who may have had similar situations or who may need legal help on their U visa journey. And if you have any ideas for future videos you'd like me to talk about a particular immigration-related topic, go ahead and let me know in the comment section below. Until next time, stay healthy and be safe.